Welcome to Saisha Spectrum. In today's lecture, we are going to see what is the use of an write statement. In the last lecture, we have seen how to develop an ABAP programming using ABAP editor. So let us first see what is meant by write statement. For writing any ABAP programming, a basic write statement is used. It is used to print the output on an output screen. For example, every statement starts with a report with a table name provided with a data type and size. Data type is C, which is a character, and we have to give the output as a YouTube. So in the write statement it has been provided and we will get an output as an YouTube. In the next lecture we are going to see what is the data dictionary in SAP ABAP.